Hey folks, today let's look at this Harris. It's a 2007 Harris Pontoon. It's a Sunliner 220, so 22 footer. It's got a nice Merc 40 horse Bigfoot on the back with a 4-blade prop. Nice little extended swim ladder for easy on off. Gas fill there in the corner. Let's hop on up and take a look at this guy. Nice little designated spot for the cooler here. Nice storage for whatever you want to put inside the glove box at the helm. And a lot of seating, a lot of cushy seating. The upholstery is in great shape. There's no rips or tears. Just a nice little detail. Would do great. Plenty of cup holders. And then there's storage underneath all these seats. So comes with a nice boat cover. Canvas is in good shape. Table that swivels. Again, storage underneath all the seats. More cup holders. There's your gas tank. The bimini with a boot. Big cushy helm chair with armrests. Got your stereo here. Switches, throttle, gauges. Boat comes with fenders, lines, everything you need to get out on the water. So come check us out at SkipperBud's Quarterdeck Marina, or give us a call. Come on over, we'll walk you through the boat. Thanks.